Alright people, so MG Sports TV here again. I'm showing this to the halftime review, but definitely just a few adjustments to the halftime. As I said, first half quite nice, 1-1, ended 1-1. Second half ended 1-1. Actually again, so the game ended in total 2-2. But overall context of the game, I think was a good game for the Reggae Girlz. These girls who have just come to the squad, who haven't even have much training session, they would have showed a lot of fight, showed a lot of speed. And you can see 1 and 2 players who really stood out. And even Zoe, Marlo, and Asha, you can see these guys really stood out. Unfortunately, the first goal that we conceded, maybe just a misjudgment from the goalkeeper. That's how it is. We get back into the game after that, which is quite good. That means that show that we have that level of assurance about us. In the second half, we actually go up. We actually were the team that scored first in the second half. Unfortunately, we conceded again. But it does mean that the journey ends here for these girls, and these girls would have showcased a lot of skills, a lot of talent, and they were happy to be here. They came here, they said they're fighting for the badge, which is definitely a good thing. In total, I do think that it was a good game of football. I like what I see from the girls. They tried to play some football. That was evident that they tried to play some football. Put the ball on the ground, play the ball around, trying to make something happen. Unfortunately, they didn't get the desired result. That's what football is sometimes. But the mere fact that they definitely came here and deliver, get the 1 point. Unfortunately, couldn't get the 3 points. They created more than enough chance to get the 3 points. But that's football. Football is sometimes. But anyways, people, tomorrow, so we can do a full review tomorrow. Pick up on yourself, people, smash the like button, hit subscribe button, MG Sports TV. Out.